Welcome, I'm David Riggs. I'm a personal injury trial lawyer in Rancho Cucamonga and the principal of the Inland Empire Law Group. I want to talk for a few minutes about how liability affects the settlement value of one's case. Liability is where the other side is determined to be at fault. In some cases, liability is very straightforward, very simple, such as a rear-end collision case. The person who struck you from behind is responsible for that collision and the injuries that result from that collision. But in other situations, liability may not be so clear. And when liability is not clear, then you have to look at the likelihood of going to trial and not getting everything you want or not getting anything at all. Remember, when you go to trial in a personal injury case, you have to prove first that the other side's responsible for the injuries that you suffered. That's the liability phase of it. And if you can't prove liability, then you can't recover damages, no matter how seriously injured you are. So, in evaluating a case, you want to take a look at the nature of the liability. Is it admitted liability? Is it 100% the responsibility of the other side? Or are there questions or concerns that may cause a problem for you to fully recover at trial? If there are problems with liability, then you're going to want to consider compromising your claim a bit in order to avoid going to trial and losing 100%. It's much better to get a part of a settlement in a disputed liability case than going to trial and getting nothing at all. So in the process of determining the value of your case, one of the big issues that we look at is liability. Is it clear or is it disputed? And if it's disputed, we're going to have to make adjustments in order to try to get your case resolved and avoid going to trial and losing everything.